In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks or ETFs on margin using the Robinhood platform on your computer. This step-by-step guide is designed to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with margin investing, while also helping you understand the important risks involved. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening the Robinhood app or visiting the Robinhood website on your PC. Once the page loads, log in with your usual credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on a secure connection and that you're logging in from a trusted device to keep your account safe. Once you're in, look toward the top right-hand corner of your dashboard and click on the Account tab. In the menu that appears, select the Margin Investing section. Here, you'll be able to review your available buying power. This is key, because buying power tells you how much you can invest, including both your own funds and any margin or borrowed money that's available to you. Review these numbers carefully and make sure you understand how much of your buying power is coming from margin, as this will help you manage your risk later on. Next, when you're ready to find a particular stock or ETF to purchase, use the search feature, usually located at the top of the dashboard. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the asset you're interested in and click on it to bring up its detailed information page. When you've decided you want to buy, click the buy button. If your account is margin enabled and this stock or ETF is eligible, you'll usually see an option to use margin. Select this option if it appears and then enter the dollar amount or number of shares you wish to purchase. Take a moment to review your order details on the review order screen, making sure everything looks correct before you confirm your purchase by clicking buy. You can sell your asset at any time. To do this, simply click on the asset from your portfolio, then select the trade button and choose sell. Enter the amount you wish to sell, review your order, and then confirm. The process is very similar to buying and user-friendly. Managing your risk is extremely important when investing with margin. To monitor your exposure, head back to the account section, then click on investing. Here, you'll be able to check your margin balance and your buying power at any time. Keeping an eye on these figures can help you avoid unexpected margin calls or risks if the market fluctuates. Finally, keep in mind that using margin can increase your potential for gains, but it can also magnify your losses. Profit is never guaranteed. Make sure you understand how margin works and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you use margin responsibly on Robinhood. Happy investing!